Sa current situation, kamusta po ang ating, lalo na yung mga Pilipino natin, dahil ang dami dyan po sa Los Angeles.
Saka hindi siya sa iisang area
Kaya,
lang, ha?
5, di ba? Parang 5, di ba?
Iba-ibang
Iba-iba.
neighborhoods.
Oo.
Just yung extent of 180,000 na have been evacuated. I think at least 6 dead.
6 dead na ba? Kanina 5, ngayon 6 na. Sige nga, based on what you know, what's happening there, kwento mo sa amin, G?
Oo. So, naglakad ako sa gabi ng Tuesday. Naglalakad ako sa may Manhattan Beach. Kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko. Habang naglalakad kami, nakita namin yung fires sa Pacific Palisades. Kita mo kasi by the coast kasi doon kami naglalakad sa malapit sa tubig. So nakita talaga namin yung fires were ravishing, and this is caused by the Santa Ana winds that malakas talaga yung hangin, nasa 100 miles per hour. So akalain mo yun, sa sobrang lakas talaga ng hangin, kaya talaga nag-spread yung fire na napakabilis. At saka, last year po, wala talagang tubig na umambon. It was a very dry summer for LA County. Kaya lahat ng mga brush fire, talagang sobrang dry. So talagang napakabilis ng pag-spread ng wildfire. In fact, nakakaali, I think five fires now, and not all of them are what they call contained, no? So, ang ibig sabihin po noon, hindi naaagapan ng mga firefighters yung nangyayari. So now, five fires have sparked in the Pacific Palisades, at sinasabi nila 27 square miles. Mga bahay po yan. Ang dami pong wala. Maraming bahay, maraming buildings, maraming mga businesses, all burnt to the ground. And these are institutions that have been here in the Los Angeles area for a very long time, no? And then also, last night, nanonood kami ng TV, Sunset naman.
Sunset Boulevard?
Right by the Hollywood sign. There were also fires, and a lot of my friends that were living in the Hollywood area were given evacuation orders, no? So, lahat ng tao dito sa LA, talagang hindi mapakali, no? Kasi either kailangan mag-evacuate, at iiwanan mo lahat ng gamit mo. Ang pwede mo lang dalhin, no? So, from what I'm hearing from a lot of my friends that are in these areas, naiisip mo talaga, kung mangyari to sa'yo, ano yung dadalhin mo? Ano yung pinaka-importante? Hindi gamit
So,
diba?
lagay ko lang sa context ng maiintindihan nila. Yung lawak po ng sunog, 17,234 acres so far. Sa maiintindihan natin, nasa 7,000 hektarya po yung nasusunog as of now. At mabilis kumalat. So alam naman natin, G, na alam mo yon, yung mga panlaban sa sunog. Di ba, merong palili pa rin kang eroplano, magsasabog ka ng chemical para patayin yung apoy. Let's talk about bakit nga, dahil nga, at saka nga kasi yung material it's really yung materials na ginagamit to construct houses there, di ba? Kanina pinag-usapan namin ni Pat P. Dito sa Pilipinas, di ba, naka-hollow blocks tayo, konkreto, which is not the case sa mga houses na marami dyan, di ba? Yung maraming drywall. Pag nakikita mo nagko-construct ng bahay dyan, G, di ba?
Hindi kasi, not more so what the buildings are constructed of, but because the Pacific Palisades is located on a mountainside, these are very affluent homes, right? Malalawak yung mga yard nila. So alam mo yon, yung hindi maraming bahay pero marami ring lupain, kumbaga. Kaya talagang na-engulf ng flames yung mga bahay-bahayan doon dahil it's surrounded around brush fire, and it's a mountainside.
Tuyo-tuyo na yung mga bundok. Ay, yung mga puno. No?
So G, yung naman, yung kakayahan ng mga firefighters, may mga nababasa ako na ang LA kasi hindi na maraming tubig, wala namang problema yung tubig, pero yung tubig na yon hindi para patayin yung mga brush fire na ganyan nga. So far, how has the response been?
So the response has been overwhelming from a lot of the firefighters. A lot of them have not slept for 36
I can
hours.
imagine. Oo.
No, tsaka let's face it, resources, you can have as many resources as possible, pero kung kalaban mo natural disaster,
Correct.
kahit na ilang libo ang mga firefighters na nandun, sa sobrang lakas ng hangin,
Yeah.
hindi talaga maaagapan. So, in the news today, there was also talk that the budget for Los Angeles City Fire Department was slashed last year from billions of dollars. It really is a matter of resources.
Yeah.
Pero lahat ng mga firefighters are now on call, and hindi na sila natutulog kasi 3 araw na at iba-iba ng lugar. Umabot na sa Sunset. Ngayon, kakapanood lang namin nasa North Hills.
Woodland
East-
Hills, no?
Yeah, North Hills.
Oh.
So iba-ibang parte na ng ng Los Angeles. Pati ang Kenneth Fire sa may bandang Woodland Hills yun, Calabasas.
Ay, Calabasas, ang layo na nun.
Napaka-high-end ng Calabasas.
Ang layo
kasi,
na.
Tsaka ang
Oo.
layo na nun.
At saka nakikitira ko
Doon na
dati.
si
Meron akong
ano,
friend who used to live in
Kardashian.
Calabasas. Sila Kardashians dyan dyan nakatira.
Oo.
Very high-end din yung homes.
Umabot
di
na
ba?
doon.
Yeah, my God. So I was going to ask, yung mga brush fire na yan, dahil lang yan, nagsaspark lang sa sobrang tuyo. It's not like somebody lit a cigarette, threw it there, and then kumalat, no? Paano ba nagsastart? Paano nag-originate yung mga brush fire na yan? Just because it's very dry.
Yes, and so it's the wind really that's the culprit because as you have embers that go into the sky,
Yeah.
the wind brings it to other areas, right? So it spreads.
Spreads, yeah.
Wildfire, right? Yun ang tawag nila, wildfire talaga. Kasi ang bilis-bilis. Tapos, thankfully naman, malayo kami.
Where do you stay?
We're in the South Bay area, which is around, 12 to 13, 14 miles away,
Yeah.
which doesn't seem far, but is far enough. At hindi naman flat land kasi kami. Etong mga to kasi nasa hillside.
Yeah.
Kaya especially vulnerable yung mga lugar na yon. Pero hanggang dito na amoy mo, hindi ka makalabas.
Grabe daw yung smog.
Air quality. Oo, the air quality is really bad. So everybody that's not even in the area has to wear a mask.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.